Hey guys, I have not done a Savvy Minerals tutorial in a while, so I wanted to come on. Sorry, I had to fix my color. But I wanted to come on and just go through, since I'm about to put on my makeup, go through just this hopefully 5-minute face. So let's get started. The only thing that I do not use that's not Savvy Minerals is this Tarte concealer, and I really just like how it brightens my eyes, and so I'm gonna use that excuse me, gosh, I'm getting over this nasty junk. It has been way too long. Okay, so I'm gonna use the mattifying primer. I love this stuff. You just need a little bit in your palm. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put it on my face, kind of rub it in. I washed my face this morning with the Orange Blossom facial wash, and then I did the Art toner, and then I did the Art intensive moisturizer because it's been like a little bit dry. My skin just feels dry. I feel extra thirsty, so I just know that my body needs more moisture. Okay, so we got the mattifying primer on. Now I'm just going to use this concealer and just kind of go through and just do a little bit where I just think I need it. Need some there. Okay. Always just kind of do more like the T-zone. Okay, my dog is hanging out on my pile of laundry. Okay, so I've got this sponge. I went through and cleaned the sponge and all of my brushes, and they are all so clean now. So what I did, so I'm just kind of tapping. I don't really like to rub or pull, I guess. Okay, so I used the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. So what I did is I filled a sink up with water, just enough to cover the brushes, and just dumped all the brushes in there. Probably isn't like the best way to wash them. I think you're not supposed to get like the handles clean. So actually don't do that. But you'll want to just get like the brush wet, and then put some hand soap in your palm and just swirl it around, and then rinse it and repeat that until the brush runs clear. I was not even thinking, and I totally put them all in there, and I'm regretting it because that is not good for your brush, the handle. Okay, so now that I've got kind of that clean look, I'm not going to use any foundation. I have found that I don't, I'm not doing a ton today. If I were to go out, I would, but I just love to use the Diamond Dust. I'll do this concealer and then this Diamond Dust. There's already some in the lid. Can you see? So I've got our fluffy brush, and this actually says Veil on it. So the Diamond Dust is like a veil. So I'm going to put a little bit more on my brush. Let's get a little bit. You just don't need that much. It's very translucent and just gives your face a sheen and kind of just sets that all in. And now I am going to apply a little bronzer and then blush. Okay, so my favorite bronzer is the Summer Loved. I like both bronzers. Crowned All Over to me is more of a highlighter, but this is Summer Loved. So I'm going to tap a little bit into the lid. I mean, gosh, not much. Okay, then I have an angled brush. I know Young Living has one. I just have this one and have used it for a long time, but Young Living's is great too. So I just kind of do under my cheekbones, and then I'm going to do just kind of that 3 formation on my face on both sides. You just want to get where the sun naturally hits your face. Okay. That's good. Sometimes I'll even take the brush and just go down my nose with the bronzer, but so that's a little trick. Okay, so then I'm going to use the Charisma blush. Okay, this stuff is so good, y'all. It is just so, let me just get a little bit on here. You do not need much. Okay, so we're going to tap it in the lid. I feel like you can't see that on camera, but it's really awesome and just sheen. Oh, I love it. It's unlike any blush I've ever used before. It's just this color. Let's see if you can see it better over here. See, just that shimmer. Oh, I love it. It's not like a lot of shimmer though. Okay, so that's good. I like that. Okay, we have to do brows, y'all. I am huge on doing my eyebrows. I used to not be, and I'm so glad that a girl I used to work with told me to. So, I have found a fun trick. So I am just going to use, this is the Sahara Sunset palette from the new release at convention. So I'm just going to use this brown color right here. And I'm not even going to wet this. I just dap, whatever. Like tap it in. And then I'm just going to kind of go over my brow. This is hard to do on a phone. To me, I think this matches so perfectly. And I had run out of my multitasker, so this is a little hack. Okay, that just makes all the difference, y'all. All right, so last but not least, eyes. I'm actually just going to use the same palette. I don't have a lot planned for my eyes. I'm just going to do something super easy because I just want to kind of have a little pop and then mascara. But I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and just do the gold on my lids. I mean, we're talking like a super light layer. Pretty good lighting today. It's sunny out. There's not a cloud in the sky. Okay, and then I'm gonna just do a tiny bit of this white. This white is super bright, but I like to do it under my brows. And sometimes people will actually take the white and like do it on the inner corner of their eye. All right, so last but not least, mascara. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get my camera because I'm on my like sitting up on my knees and it hurts. But if I'm down here, it's way too, there's like too much space. So I've got to find like a little stool or something. Okay, so last but not least, we've got the Savvy mascara. You can always use a different brush. So actually what I have this mascara that is not Savvy, so it's Benefit, but it's totally out. So something you can do, I'm not like the biggest fan of the Savvy brush, but I do like the mascara. And I've done this. So this has Savvy mascara on it. But I'm just going to put the brush, their brush, in this mascara. And then apply. Back. Oh my God. Okay, so, oh, what am I doing? Trying to put that in there, and that is not going to fit. Okay, we're going to put it back in there. All right, so last but not least, we need a little lip gloss. I'm losing my train of thought. Okay, what do I want to wear? Let's go with a bright. I'm just going to put this on, and we'll just go like with a fun mic drop, but we'll just do a really light layer. I'm just kind of tapping. Okay, and then we can even top it off with a little gloss. I've got just a tiny bit of Abundance left. All right, so there we go. That is, well, that was 10 minutes, but you know, it was pretty quick. So, and I had to kind of talk through it. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. And if y'all didn't know, Young Living has a Savvy Minerals starter kit. It's $150 and it comes with a blush, a foundation, the foundation brush, the misting spray for the foundation, 3 eyeshadows, and a lavender essential oil, and a Young Living membership. So that is a great way to get started. And you can be wearing this toxic-free makeup and feel really good about it, and it's safe for our skin. So hit me up if you need more info on that. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye.